All right, welcome back to Mr. Bell's Wildcat Math class. We're continuing the Algebra 2 Honors Review, Semester 1, 2016. I'm glad you could come back and join us. We're on number 61 now.
It's number 6.
Shh. Number 6.
It's number 6.
Shh. No, this is timeless, man.
Okay.
Watch this forever. All right, number 61. Find the zeros. What we got? All right, so I've got polynomial with 4 terms. What do you think? Group it? Can we group it? Will it work?
Yeah.
What's the ratio?
1/3.
1/3?
1/3.
1/3 is going to work. Let's do it.
Yeah.
So I can pull out an x squared. That leaves x plus 3. I can pull out a negative 4. That leaves x plus 3. What's inside the parentheses is the same, so I did it right. So let's write that down, x plus 3. Then we'll write down what's on the outside of the parentheses, x squared minus 4. I can group that, and I can factor that some more. Difference of 2 squares,
X plus 4.
x plus 2, and x minus 2. So my zeros are x equals negative 3 plus or minus 2. Questions on 61? All right, 62. Write a cubic polynomial. What does that mean?
3 terms.
It's going to have 3 zeros, right? In standard form, which has zeros of 5 and negative 3 only. The larger root occurs twice. I said the larger root occurs twice.
What's this problem?
Just 5 and 5. So basically they're telling us x equals 5, 5, and negative 3.
Oh, so we have to distribute back up.
Wait, wouldn't it be a plus 3?
Why?
Because it's a negative 3?
Why?
Because you have to like square root it. See,
No, you plug it, you go in reverse.
anyway.
Imaginary answers come in pairs.
Yeah.
Yes, because you are taking square root, but no, we're not taking square root.
Yeah.
Alright, so it just says the larger root occurs twice. So 5, 5, and negative 3. So I've got x minus 5, x minus 5, and x plus 3. That's factored form. And they want standard form. So if I multiply these first two out, I end up with x squared
plus
minus 10x plus 25. So we're going to multiply that by x plus 3. So I end up with x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x squared minus 30x plus 25x plus 75. So combine some like terms, we get x cubed minus 7x squared minus 5x plus 75. Did Jet win his fantasy football game yesterday?
No, because David Johnson scored 38 points.
Oh man, that's one.
Wait, what's
All right, yes. I don't think so. 25 times 3.
If you were to,
We're good with this one? Questions?
if you were trying to like go backwards and do it over again, the ratios aren't the same.
Correct, you could not group it.
So,
So if you were trying to go backwards, what would you do?
quadratic one.
Quadratic formula on a cubic.
There's 4 terms.
It's at 49.
Huh? GCF's 1. Good question, Katie. First, you'd have to, very good, thank you. First, you have to find your possible rational roots, yes? List out your possible rational roots. And then you do synthetic division until you find one that works.
We don't have to cut that part.
And that would knock it down to a quadratic. All right, any questions on 62? All right, 63.
Oh, I'm sorry, this is not Mr. Bell. Do you need to speak with him? All right, Mr. Bell. With you.
Man, we're catching this live. Cut.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah.
All right, I'm 63.
Thomas, the function is y equals
Student affairs?
3x.
Okay, I got a kid, he's not doing anything, I'll send him. All right. Yeah. Student affairs? Can you go student affairs for me?
I have no idea what
Want me to?
this is my first year.
Yeah, go ahead. So this is for Miss Ward. It's a parent waiting for it, basically.
All right.
Unless Ward, this is the
Student affairs, Miss Ward. I need to pass.
Take the green one.
All right.
All right. Okay, number 63.
That's about up 20 subscribers. 21 actually.
I thought I had like
No,
72.
you have like 94.
Is it like
94?
79.
I'll subscribe. I'll
I
subscribe.
thought you said 29. Y equals 3x cubed plus 5x squared plus kx. What the? List of possible rational roots. They don't tell us what k is. What are we going to do?
Yes.
It doesn't freaking matter. Because we need the factors of the constant divided by the factors of the leading coefficient. So we need the factors of the -6 over the factors of the 3. So factors of 6 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and plus or minus 6. All those divided by plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 3.
Man, this is the best video ever.
Ooh, take them down, man. Better watch it. Okay, so I gotta list these out now. So I'm gonna take one denominator at a time. I'm gonna take all those numbers over 1, which is just those numbers. Now I'm gonna take all those numbers over 3. So 1/3 plus or minus 2/3. 3 over 3 is 1. I've already got that. So don't write it again. 6 over 3 is 2. I've already got that. So we're done. There's my possible rational roots.
Look at this.
Use synthetic substitution to evaluate the polynomial for the given value. So they tell us that p of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 5 for x equals 4. Now what do we do? We could plug it in, yeah? We could plug it in. Let's do that. So 4 cubed, yeah? Minus 4 times 4 squared plus 3 times 4 minus 5. 4 cubed?
64.
64. Minus 4 times 4 squared?
0.
64. Plus 12 minus 5. So 0 plus 12 minus 5. 7? So P of 4 is equal to 7, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't we do it the way they said to do it?
All those in favor?
Synthetic substitution.
Why?
So what they said to do, use synthetic division. I'm going to put 4 in the box. Bring down our coefficients, making sure we're not missing any. 3, 2, 1, 0. So they're all there. -4, 3, and -5, yeah? So bring the first one down. Multiply. And combine. Multiply. And combine. Oh, look, there's our answer. Now, which one was easier?
The top one.
Top one.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
No.
Bottom.
Bottom.
The highest number I came up with was 12 here.
So?
Yeah, it's bottom. I see bottom.
I like that one.
That makes sense.
All right. Any questions on? You can do it either way. It's multiple choice. Just make sure if you do synthetic, you're actually putting the x value in the box.
Are we gonna quiz on the rest of the,
Pages, yes.
like 2 pages per quiz?
Yes.
Okay.
What page is it?
Okay, 65. Did you find it, Rochelle?
Okay, well,
If you want, yeah. You've already done it.
We'll do it on like 3 times.
Got my phone.
Made some important calls.
Wait, did you count her? She was up there?
Yeah, some angry parent in the front office. She's like, I want my daughter's review right now. And she was like really mad.
Okay, 65. X cubed plus 4x squared minus 9x minus 36. And we're going to divide that by x plus 3. Alright, so synthetic or long division?
Oh wait, another question. Long division.
Synthetic, okay, good. So what goes in the box?
X plus 3?
Negative 3, right?
Okay.
Why?
Whatever makes this equal to 0. That's what goes in the box. Bring down the coefficients. 1, 4, -9, -36. First number, just bring it down. Then we're going to multiply, -3. Then we're going to combine these two numbers, we get 1. Then we're going to multiply, -3. Then we're going to combine these two numbers, -12. Then we're going to multiply, 36, 0. Remainder of 0. What does that mean?
It's right.
That means it's a factor, right? That means this is a factor of this, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, senior question about 65.
what's the answer to that?
Oh, divide. This is the answer. 1x squared plus x minus 12. That's the answer from these numbers right here. Any other questions on 65? Okay, we're going to take a short break. I hope you come back and join us for the rest of the review.